Even lower house Solons are urging PAGCOR to reveal who was the former high-ranking government official who allegedly helped illegal pogos in the country. The House leadership wants the concerned committees to look into the issue, especially since such establishments are being linked to various illegal and criminal activities. Meleles Moras has more.
Several lawmakers are now calling for an investigation into the revelations made by the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation about a former cabinet official who allegedly assisted a number of illegal pogos which have been linked to various crimes. According to PAGCOR, this unnamed high-ranking official particularly tried to facilitate the granting of gaming licenses to some operators. For his part, Cagayan de Oro City 2nd District Representative Rufus Rodriguez said the House Committee on Games and Amusements and the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability must look into this issue. He also called on the PAGCOR to reveal all government officials past and present who interceded in the application of pogo franchises or in the protection of illegal pogos. The lawmaker added the PAGCOR must also provide proof to hold them accountable if proven guilty. In a press conference, Surigao del Norte 2nd District Representative Robert Ace Barbers made a similar call. He emphasized the need to punish the backers of illegal pogos, especially given the significant harm they cause to the country.
Itong mga pogo na ito ay source ito ng kriminalidad dito sa ating bansa, no? Yung human trafficking, kidnapping, kidnap for ransom, extortion, and possibly drug trafficking. And of course, yung kanilang main objective dito sa mga pogo hubs ito ay yung money laundering, no, na mga kriminal na mga sindikato.
At the same time, Barbers reiterated whether legal or illegal, all pogos should be banned in the country.
Kung gusto nila mag-invest, pero wag naman yung investment na illegal. Maglagay kayo dito ng legal na investment in other businesses that may provide jobs and revenues for the country. I think if they want to help this country, they can probably invest in agriculture, with the help of a local partner. They can also invest in infrastructure. Meron naman tayong PPP.
In a statement, PAGCOR Chairman and CEO Alejandro Tenco said he is open to name the former cabinet official he's alleged in a proper forum, while also assuring to continue to fulfill his agency's mandate. Meleles Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.